friends, today's recipe, on seeing the picture you know, it's the pakoda. For this we have taken about ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon, and then we are going to add red chilli powder 1.5 teaspoon, not Kashmiri chilli, it's red chilli powder we are going to add, and then we are going to add the coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon. It is not like the usual pakoda we used to make, there is a twist in it. That is, we are going to add soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Yes, we are going to add some Chinese spices to it. And then we are going to add tomato sauce 1.5 teaspoon. And then we are going to add the most important ingredient, that is the salt. But here we are going to take salt only 1 teaspoon because all the other sauces will have a little amount of salt. Then we are going to add the vinegar 1 teaspoon. And at the last, it is an optional, if you want you can add it, that is the hot chili sauce of 1 teaspoon. Then we are going to mix all the spices one by one. This pakoda will not be the same as the usual one which we are doing, because there we used to use the gram flour, but here I am going to use about 1/4 cup of rice flour and about 1 cup of the corn flour. So the ratio of the rice flour and the corn flour must be about the 1:4. Then only our pakodas will be a crispy one. Then we can add the water in order to make our batter to be the same as the dosa consistency. Here I have taken the cauliflower and then I have boiled it in the hot water for about 10 minutes and then I have drained it. Now I am going to add these cauliflowers into the batter. Now mix it well and then drop one by one cauliflower into the oil. Can you hear the sizzling sound? I like this sound very much because it will make us the temptation to have the hot cauliflower pakodas. Next, this one is the papads which usually got in the Indian stores. This papad can be broken into small pieces and then you can take it as a half, or you can even break it into half to make it 1/4, and then dip it in the same batter and then you can fry it in the oil. Because I have had some leftover batter, so I thought of making another one pakoda for you. So our pakodas are now ready. Please subscribe our channel and then like and share also. Please visit my another channel also and give your support to it. Stay tuned for the next video.